Hi guys, today we are unboxing the HK11 Mini Plus that you all have been asking me to review. It's the 41mm version of the HK11. If you take a look inside the box, we get the user manual here. Then as usual we have two straps as it's the global version. Then we get the USB-A wireless charger, and here is the HK11 Mini Plus. Let's take off the plastic wrap. It comes with a glossier frame which looks really nice. You'll have to turn it on by pressing and holding the crown key. So let's wait for it to turn on. And here it is. So it comes with the firmware version of the HK11 Pro Max first generation. In the HK11 Ultra 3 first generation, a lot of people got the update for the generation 2. So while doing the full review, I'll connect it with my smartphone to see if it also gets the update for the version 2 or not. The strap locks are also working absolutely fine as far as I have checked. The straps fitting is also really good. If you try it on the wrist, here you can see that it's great for people with a skinny wrist like me, as it's a quite small dial. 46mm and 49mm are quite huge. If you have a normal wrist size, then you can go with a 46mm version, and for people with a healthy wrist, 49mm also works great for them. Let's take a quick look at all of the built-in watch faces. So it has all of the older watch faces. Again, we'll check in the full review if the version 2 update is available for it or not. Then it will get the new watch faces. Another thing that I've noticed is that unlike the HK11 Pro Max and the HK11 Ultra 3, it does have the AI watch face option. After that, here is the control center and the widgets page. It has the old UI. It does not come with the WatchOS 26 update out of the box. Then here is the menu style. Overall, the watch is quite smooth. The transitions and everything is working extremely well. If you go to the control center and add the torchlight option here it is. Then here is a look at the bezel size. The bezels are also quite thin. So in this week, I'll be testing this watch and will be sharing my full review very soon. For the full reviews, make sure you are subscribed on iMAT Gadgets, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button on Unbox with iMAT for the latest product unboxings. I'll catch you in the full review on iMAT Gadgets.